Hello and welcome to General Knowledge Class 2. Hope you all are fine, children. My dear students, today I am going to start with lesson number 18, and today what we will do lesson 18, 19 and 23 chapters together. So let's start with chapter 18, special vehicles, given on page number 22. Open your books and take a pencil also to mark the answers. What you will have to do, you will have to see the pictures. See the pictures properly. There you will have to find their names and tally the jobs given below. What are the names? What jobs they do? Fill in the picture numbers to show. This question is given below the pictures. That picture that is displayed on the screen. The question that is displayed on the screen is given below the pictures given on page number 28. So let's start. The first one is the picture of fire engine. So what work it does? It fight fires. So in front of name fire engine, write 1, and in front of job fight fires, write 1 again. Now second one is tanker. The second picture is of tanker. What is its job? Its job is to carry milk, petrol, water, etc. So write there 2. The third picture is of ambulance, and what its job is? Its job is to take people to hospital. So write there 3. Next picture is of a tractor. What is the job of the tractor? The job of the tractor is to pull farm machines, trailers, etc. So in front of tractor write 4, and in front of pull farm machines, trailers, write 4 again. The fifth picture is of road roller, and the work of a road roller is to make roads flat. So in front of road roller write number 5, and make roads flat write 5 again. Now the last 6th picture is of a dumper truck. So write there 6, and its work is to carry and dump sandstones, etc. So write number 6 there. I have done it for you. You can tally your answers from the screen. Do it in book properly and neatly. So now the next lesson number 19. It is given on page number 29. What is shown in the picture? Which country is it? You have to write the name and the place. The hint sentences are given over there. So the first picture is of a pyramid, and a king named Khufu was buried here. Name is Pyramid of Khufu, and place is Egypt. Do you know, children, the Egyptian pyramids are ancient pyramids. Most of the pyramids were built as tombs. The Great Pyramid of Khufu is one of 104 pyramids in Egypt with superstructure. Now the second one is it is Great Wall of China. So big we can see it from space too. The place is China. I have written the answers for you so that you will write it correctly and neatly in your book. So 19 walls were built that were called the Great Wall of China. The first was built in 7th century BC. The height is about 6 to 7 meters. The highest is 14 meters. Okay. Now next one. Next one is Eiffel Tower. The third picture is of Eiffel Tower. So name it Eiffel Tower. It was nicknamed Iron Lady. The place is France. The Eiffel Tower is a wrought iron lattice tower in France. It is named after the engineer Gustave Eiffel. His company designed and built the tower. So now the fourth one is the Statue of Liberty. So write the name Statue of Liberty and place USA. It is a gift from France. The Statue of Liberty was a gift of friendship from the people of France to USA, that is United States of America. So now here let's start lesson number 20. Open page number 30 for it. So here in page number 20, flags of countries are given. As you all know that there are 26 alphabets in English, and here for each alphabet we will have to use the code to find the name of the country, or you can say the number is given over there and the code is also written over here. So alphabet and the code both are there, and we will have to use the code to find the name of the country. The code is given at the top. Total number of alphabet is Z, and the total number here written over here is 1 to 26. So I have displayed it on the screen. The same pictures that is given in the book, I have displayed it on the screen. So the first one is 21191. See the code? The number 21 is U. So write there U. Number 19 is S. Write there S. In the blank area you will have to write S. And 1 is A. So write there A. What it becomes? It becomes USA. So the flag is of USA. Second one, 21 and 11. 21 is U and 11 is K. So write there UK. Third one is 3. 3 is C. 1 is A. 14 is N. 1 again A, 4 D and 1 A, that is Canada. Now next one. 9 is I, 20 is T, 1 is A, 12 is L, 25 is Y. So the name of the country is Italy. The flag is of Italy. Next one, fifth one. 14 number N, 5 E, 16 it's P. 1 again A, 12 is L. So the name of the country Nepal, and the flag is of Nepal. Sixth one. Number 6. Code is 6F. 18 R. 1 A. 14 N. 3 C. And 5 E. And the country is France. So my dear children, Like this, you will have to do 7, 8, 9 by yourself. You do it yourself, find the answers, use the code for your help, and write down the name of the country and see the flag. So you can check the answers from here. The 7th one is China, 8th one is Japan, and 9th is Bhutan. Okay, write down, do the work neatly, write down in book, do the answers carefully, write the answers carefully, learn the spellings. Okay, all the objective questions will come in the exam, so learn it properly. Stay safe, stay at home. Thank you.